You can see that the video shows our contractor entering the premises through the side door and going to the tablet to sign in. Once you enter the details of your contact, they will be alerted by a text message. Your designated contact will then come out to greet you and show you around the part of the workshop that you will be working in. As you walk around, take note of the hazards and risks, the overhead crane, trip hazards, welding flash, noise, fumes, and many other hazards. Stop and pause for a moment to make sure that you observe the walkway and all of the hazards. Look left to right, above and around where you might be working. If you're going to be working in the yard or even in the dry dock, your designated contact will show you where you would be working. If you have been engaged to work with Littleton engineering workers in the dry dock, you must have completed the necessary inductions for the Littleton Port Company. The Littleton Dry Dock is managed by Littleton Port Company and is within the port security area, so both an LPC port users and a dry dock users induction is required. Note, there are first aid kits and the AED is located in the supervisor's office. The route that you've just taken is to get to your place of work. It is not a thoroughfare through to the dry dock, so please don't use it as a shortcut. You'll have seen on the video the emergency exits. There are two things that you need to do to ensure you are informed about potential emergencies. 1. Ask your LEL contact how you report injuries, illnesses, or near misses too. It is important that all events that could cause harm or loss are reported. 2. Ask about the nearest emergency exits close to where you will be working. Make sure that you understand where your nearest exit is and the assembly point you must proceed to when the emergency alarm sounds. If you are working in the dry dock or on board ship, there is a separate alarm for evacuation. This will be covered in the LPC dry dock induction and/or the ship induction. Okay, that covers the main points from part 1. Before you can move on, you need to cover off the following questions.